see if we could find anything at TJ Maxx. Oh, it's okay. I'll just look around there. Thank you though. Thank you for your help.
No problem. Was there anything you were looking into?
No, I just like I look for clearance and stuff like that.
Yeah, they don't really keep the food clearance out that long, actually.
Yeah, I don't see it no more. But it's all good.
I like going to World Market where they have like a bunch of stuff.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, well, some of the stuff they have here is good, but like they have like more.
I've never been to HomeGoods. Is it like here? Or is it different?
It's different. It has like everything. Well, World Market has like everything. So you'll get like snacks from like Korea, Japan, places like that.
Over there?
Yeah. A World Market.
Shit, I better go check that out real quick.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I didn't know they had books here. They're expensive though. Pricey. I realized I forgot a cart. I see those clearance signs. Hell yeah, let's check it out. I bought these for $1, or it was like 70 cents, and then some for $1 last time. But this time, if I bought them for that price, I'd only make like 90 cents or 80 cents. So I don't feel like going through that right now. Got our first score. Spend 3, make 5. I want to share with you guys how much money I made selling on Amazon in October, selling through Amazon FBA, where I send my products to Amazon. They do the work for me, fulfillment, shipping, customer service, and also FBM, fulfilled by merchant. That's me selling the products from my house, basically me shipping them myself to the customer. Change my mind on these. Spend 2, make 90 cents. But there's only one other seller, and if he runs out, I could always up my price, so I'm gonna take these. And it's ranked like 4,000 in groceries, so that's a phenomenal rank. See, we found 10 times $2. That's 20 bucks we're gonna spend to make like $9. So spend about $2.70, make about $1.63 each. I'll try it out. Has a good rank in health and personal care. Got a few right there. These do require work because it's got that cap right there that opens. So if it had a plastic seal around it, it'd be good, but it doesn't. So I'm gonna have to put some plastic over it with my heat gun, and I'll show you guys that in the video. Got one more. There's a lot more, but I don't want to try too many because it's my first time selling it, and it's not that much profit anyways. I can't sell these on Amazon. They're hazmat. It says I can't send them into FBA. I could merchant fulfill them, but there's not enough meat on that bone. So I'm gonna take 3 and try them on eBay. They sell for 25 to 30 bucks for 3. So I'm gonna lot them up. You see there, $4.49. So with these, I can make a pack of 4. Spend 11 on all 4, 11 something. Make $7 back. I see a clearance sign all the way over there. That's the clearance for pets, but I don't see nothing special. I'm not. I scanned some of the toys. The prices are high though. I'm tripping out because I scanned these Funko Pops and it says I could sell them. I thought that was a gated category on Amazon. Funko. All right, let's try HomeGoods. I've never been there. So I've never been to a HomeGoods in my life. I don't think. Let's see if there's anything we could sell on Amazon or eBay. Laughing my ass off. It's the same store connected in one. So right here, I'm just walking you through how I made my listing for this. I actually took somebody else's picture that looked really nice. I sized it up right there. That's a screenshot of the picture. Saved the photos. Now I got that. I got Canva. I do the paid Canva, but there's a free version too. So I go to Instagram post because it's a square. I upload my photo. There's my photo. Magic grout cleaner. And I'm just making it a smaller size so I could put a 4-pack. So I'm kind of playing with it, seeing how I want to position it to get the 4-pack looking good. So after that, I duplicated it. There's a duplicate button right there at the bottom. So I got 3 of them now. And then duplicate after this, duplicate one more time. And we're good to go with the 4-pack. But me, I like standing out for my listings to stand out from other sellers. So I add the text 4-pack. That's what I'm doing right there. I'm clicking the text I want. I'm going to type in 4-pack. And I like playing with the effects. There's a button called effects. And I like making the words look like a bright white where it pops out. That's just my own personal preference that I like to do. I could have always left it black if I wanted to. And the only reason I do this is I want to stand out from the other listings. A lot of times people just have the 4 products. But me, with my text, I might catch somebody's attention. That's my own personal preference. And now I'll just save it. Download. And it's saved to my camera roll. See, with this product, I could take the pictures. But I see there's already good pictures on eBay. So I'm just going to take those pictures and make my own listing. And I'm going to do it in Canva. And I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm going to make a 4-pack. And I chose a 4-pack because it's an even number. 4 of these will fit into a box better than 5. Right here, I'm showing you how I'm taking another picture. It's more of a close-up picture of the bottom to add to my listing. I'm going to take a picture right there. And then what I do with these 2 pictures I take, I go to photo room and I make the background white. I want people to be able to read the back of the bottle. But that was one of the pictures I added. See, with these, the labels can be a little hard to peel off. So the easier thing to do would be just to grab the heat gun. Go over it. Should come out real easy now. Let's give it a try. Ooh, like butter. I took out the labels on all 10 of these. We're good to go. We'll just put our label over that barcode right there. Check that out. That's my lucky number. 311 right there.
Of trash from the ocean before the end of the year. Let's show the world that we want to clean up.
There's my label. This is how I print my labels through the back end of Amazon. I got my product right there. You could always put the UPC code right there, search for it. I barely made that listing, so it pops up right away. Action on one selected. Print item labels. I'm gonna print 10. I'm gonna go print labels. I just need one. And then I'll make a snapshot of it and I'll print 10. If I had inventory lab, I wouldn't be doing this because the labels would print automatically. But I don't pay for that right now. So I'm doing it the old-fashioned way that I know how to do it. That's taking a snapshot by going to edit. Take a snapshot. Take a little picture of this label right here. Right click, print. These are my labels right there. Those are 30334 size. So I need that right there at the page setup. I already have it, 30334. Okay. You see how it's purple right there? You want to make sure you put fit. Fit. I need 10 copies, 10 label. Well, I forgot if I need like 15. I'll just put 12 for now. 12. Let's go to print. And there they go. I do have the cover right there. I just took it off. And I have it printing slow, so I put print at best quality. It prints slower. I just want my barcodes to come out good. There's no issues at all when it goes to FBA. Now I got these labels to take off. Just like a professional. Didn't burn through it or nothing. And yes, I am ungated in groceries. It cost me like 25 bucks. And I ordered my 10 units from Frontier Co-op Wholesale. I used that invoice. I got ungated. I've been selling on this account on Amazon for 7 months now. Just a little bit of extra footage. Bought all these for $4. Each one, there's a 6-pack. Each one sells for $9.99 on Amazon. These are from liquidation bins. Bag full of clothes, pants, Dickies, mostly Dickies. This, whatever this thing is, it's like a long white vest, Dickies. It goes for like 50 something bucks. All this stuff I paid $4 a piece. And Dickies sells really fast on Amazon. I got books. This is a $50 book right here. What else did I get? These are like 20 a piece. Came 2 for $4. Right there. This is like a $60 book right there. Okay, we got the pants. Just a little extra footage for you guys. What is this? Oh, I bought this shirt for me. Thought it looked cool. Black shirt. I don't know if that's a good brand or not. It's like a work brand probably. That's for me. There's this white thing I was talking about. Worth like 50 bucks. What else we got? More Dickies pants. Camo Dickies pants. Big size, I think. 54.30. Damn. And there's nothing wrong with these clothes. They have their tags and everything. These, I think were like 60 or 80 bucks. They're super expensive. And nobody's selling them. So I don't know. I got to do some Keepa research to see what I want to sell them for. And we got one more Dickies pair. Paid $4 a piece for all this stuff. Dickies sells extremely fast on Amazon. Because it's a workwear brand. People use it for work. This is how I bag my items. I bought this at Dollar Tree. That's plastic right there. Ziploc, generic brand. Nice and clear. I have this pilot costume. I'm sure it'll still sell on FBA. You know, somebody wants to dress up like a pilot. So I'm going to send it in. This, in there. Heat gun. Good to go. So I just used this. I sealed it. The edges. And I don't need a suffocation label because there's no 5-inch opening or greater. It's all sealed. So I just put my label, and this is good to send to Amazon. I might have done better with the folding, but I'll still send it. It'll sell. I got 100% reviews right now. Doing good. Got my Dickies pants. All right, I have these right now. There's 6 of them. I'm gonna show you how I make a 3-pack. I'm gonna show you how I do these individually. I'm gonna use this saran wrap for the 3-pack, and I'm going to use these sandwich bags for the 1-packs. So I went ahead, I cut the Ziploc part off. You could buy the bags without that, but that's all I have right now. And I'm gonna use 2, one on the top, one on the bottom. Turn that bad boy on. Just go over it. Check that out. I can go over it real quick and make it a little tighter. But look, that works perfect. So if you're new to selling on Amazon, let me know. If you've never sold on Amazon, let me know in the comments below. If you think I'm stumbling and fumbling, let me know in the comments below. Just interact with me. I'll interact back with you. Thanks, guys. We have our set of 3 right there. Our finished 3-pack. This is for the Amazon employees so they don't take this apart. This is a set, do not separate. Covered the barcodes, covered that barcode. Got these 3. And that's how you do it, son. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'll keep making content. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.